Hello everyone, welcome mga palangga to LV Amor Vlogs, and this is your friend Lou Amor. So today I'm going to show you my small cozy nook, in short, my room. So this room is really for the PWD, for a senior citizen and a single since birth woman like me. So as you can see, it is mainly flat, no step, no stairs. This is just a flat room, a small room, but it contains also little things little things which really mean a lot to me. So first I will show you the door leading to the kitchen, because I cook my own food. So that's the kitchen there. Behind that door, lighted area there. So that's the door to my kitchen. And then let's take a walk. Steps, not walk, but steps. That's my bed. A small pink bed and my pink cabinet. And then let's turn a little bit. That's my the window to the outside world. And then with a string curtain of white and pink also. I have there a towelette of pink, and then a small side table, a pink side table, and then an empty organizer. I do not know what to put in there. So this is it. This is the ceiling of my room that can cover me from the rain and from the sunlight. So again, that's the door. And then I'm going to show you my props for my vlogging, the tripod and the what you call this, and then my flashlights there, the antique banga or tibod, what is that? So I have to ready my flashlight, because anytime the brownout occurs, it is easier for me to get the flashlight. So it is there, the black, the red, and the blue. So I'm showing you my scarlet refrigerator. That's my refrigerator. I think it is empty inside. And then there is my small medical organizer. So it contains different kinds of medicines, from analgesic, paracetamol, antihistamine, antacid, and other medicines, my maintenance. No, so that's my red refrigerator, and the other blah blah blah. And so this is my window, my mirrored window, glass window. So you can see me there holding the cell phone. So in vlogging, I am not really a sophisticated vlogger. I am just a poor, ordinary vlogger using my cell phone, because I cannot afford to buy one. No, so just contented with this cell phone of mine. And so this is it. And then I'm going to show you my commode, my white toilet commode, which is a step away from my bed and a step away from my bathroom. This is my bathroom, pink bathroom. So this is it. And then this is my commode for This is, I have to show this commode for everybody who are not familiar with what commode is all about. So commode is a portable toilet, really. Commode toilet chair. So that's the name of this thing. So again, I will show you my, not again, but I will show you my built-in cabinet. So that's my built-in cabinet. It houses everything from modern to antique stuff. There, the decorations also, the decorations are 25 years old already. So, but that lamp over there is already really very, very, very old, antique, just like the tibod. So that blue thing there is the folding bed. And so this is it. This is the whole view of my cozy nook. So that sofa bed there is for my buddy. Every night she sleeps there. It is not advisable for elderly or senior citizens to be alone in the room during the night, because we can never tell if emergency happens. So it is better to have somebody to accompany us, not during the night, because who knows, as what I have said, we really don't know what will happen. So it is really advisable to have somebody to accompany us. And so this is all for now. This is my humble nook, my favorite, no? I really love to stay in this place because it is very livable, flat, no hassle. I don't have to worry if I fall down or whatever. And so this is all for now. I hope I have given you also something new, something any or inspiration that how a room should look like or should be built, especially for senior citizens, no? PWD. And so, if you like the content of this channel, feel free to subscribe and click the bell button. And so, for now, have a good and godly day, everyone. And please remember, Jesus loves us all, and He is faithful that promise. So, have a good and godly day again, and please take care of yourselves. So, don't fail to write on the comment section any suggestions, any topic you would like me to share. Would you like to hear more about GERD or Kabuhi? It is always my pleasure. Just let me know in the comment section below. So, bye for now. Please remember, Amor really cares and love you guys. Ingat!